Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. On our dyno today we have one of our 347 Ford 350 horsepower combinations, one of our lower horsepower combinations. These engines make significantly more than 350 horsepower and 400 foot-pounds of torque. This thing happens to be going a 65 Mustang. This thing's going to really rock. We happen to have a car here right now that has a similar combination. Just go over a couple of things. This has features an Eagle rotating assembly, as well as the Edelbrock cylinder heads, Edelbrock intake manifold, the Edelbrock carburetor sitting on top. We use competition cams, hydraulic bore cams on our engines, fully rollerized rocker arms, and mainly 5/16 8-wall push rods. If you're interested in one of these combinations or any of our combinations that we happen to build, please give us a call at 800-267-3940, and don't forget to visit our website at proformanceunlimited.com.